Decoding the phrase, go bust. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used English phrase. Have you ever heard someone use the term, go bust? If you're scratching your head about what it means, you're in the right place. Let's decode this interesting phrase together. The phrase, go bust, has its roots in card games, especially poker. In these games, when a player loses all of their money or chips, they are said to bust. Over time, this term was adopted into everyday language to refer to businesses or individuals who run out of money. Go bust means to run out of money, become insolvent, or financially fail. It's often used in the context of businesses. For example, if a company goes bust, it means the company has become bankrupt and cannot pay its debts. Here are a few examples. 1. After a series of bad investments, the company went bust. 2. Many small businesses are struggling and might go bust if the economic situation doesn't improve. Let's practice using go bust in different sentences to get a better grasp. 1. I hope that new cafe in town doesn't go bust. Their coffee is amazing. 2. If you keep spending without a plan, you might go bust by the end of the month. 3. The market crash made several big firms go bust overnight. And there we have it. The phrase, go bust, relates to financial failure or running out of money. It's a vivid way of expressing that someone or something has hit a financial low. We hope this video helped clarify this term for you. Keep exploring the English language, and remember, every phrase has a story. Happy learning!